folks, welcome to Netcruzer. I am currently driving to the racetrack right now, and I just wanted to give another driving test. This is with the GoPro Hero 7 Black versus the Sony AS300. Now the AS300 has Balanced Optical SteadyShot, which is the same type of sensor and optical image stabilization that is in the higher end SONY X3000. Now the AS300 has Balanced Optical SteadyShot, which is the same type of sensor and optical image stabilization that is in the higher end SONY X3000. So to make this a more comparable test, I have downset the GoPro Hero 7 to be 1080p 60 frames a second, which is exactly what the Sony can do. So to make this a more comparable test, I have downset the GoPro Hero 7 to be 1080p 60 frames a second, which is exactly what the Sony can do, that I have can do. The X3000 can do 4K, but I don't have the X3000. That I have can do. The X3000 can do 4K, but I don't have the X3000. So this is the Hero 7 versus the AS300, and the image quality would look similar on an X3000. We want to see how does the stabilization work. HyperSmooth versus Boss. We want to see how does the stabilization work. HyperSmooth versus Boss. It's an overcast day. It's very dark outside. In the car, they're on similar mounts. It's an overcast day. It's very dark outside. In the car, they're on similar mounts. So say they're both on Gorilla flexible type arms. Also, this is an audio test. The audio is raw on both. So I'm not using an external mic on either. The Sony, I think, has damaged microphones. We will soon find out. It has a lot of body noise, and it is not in a case at all. The Hero 7 is in its own custom skeleton case that it comes with. Also, this is an audio test. The audio is raw on both. So I'm not using an external mic on either. The Sony, I think, has damaged microphones. We will soon find out. It has a lot of body noise, and it is not in a case at all. The Hero 7 is in its own custom skeleton case that it comes with. So this road is fairly smooth, but when we get on to some bumpier sections, I'll turn you guys on. So this road is fairly smooth, but when we get on to some bumpier sections, I'll turn you guys on again. So I'm going to do a stoplight test, see how the stabilization handles the G-force stopping and starting. Which looks better? I'm just going to do a stoplight test, see how the stabilization handles the G-force stopping and starting. Which looks better? Alright, I'm going to turn onto this highway here, which does have quite a bit of bumpy patches, and we're going to see, even taking the on-ramp, high G-force, high acceleration, and then we'll hit the bumpy parts and see what that looks like. So it's extremely gray today. Very gray, overcast day. I'm going to turn onto this highway here, which does have quite a bit of bumpy patches, and we're going to see, even taking the on-ramp, high G-force, high acceleration, and then we'll hit the bumpy parts and see what that looks like. better, HyperSmooth versus Boss? Which is better, GoPro HyperSmooth versus SONY Balanced Optical SteadyShot? So which is better, GoPro HyperSmooth versus SONY Balanced Optical SteadyShot? GoPro, stop recording.